Hello, it's great to be back in the studio filming with Justhands-on.tv today. I'm here to show you some kits that I've been making. The kits come in beautiful little boxes. So here we've got robin and rose hips, which I'll be showing you shortly. Blackbird and apples. The country wren. And long-tailed tits. If you're not confident with doing it all with free machine embroidery, you can actually sew quite a lot of this by hand. The trees would work really well with some nice embroidery floss, hand stitched, and the same with some of the other little details. So it can be a real mixture. The furrows, you wouldn't need to use free motion, you could just use ordinary stitching.